Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Interior fuse panel is on the passenger side in the passenger footwell. It's marked, it says fuse panel with an arrow pointing out, so you pull it straight out, slides out. You have access to the fuse panel. And when you're looking at it this way, this diagram outlines where all the fuses are. So this one is a 20 amp fuse. It matches that 20 amp fuse right there. 15 amp matches that 15 amp, and so on. So just find whatever accessory you're looking for, and the corresponding fuse will be marked on here. We'll reinstall the cover. Slides back in, locks into place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.